Hey planner people, it has been a zillion years since I did a video. Okay, not a zillion years, but probably a couple of months. I did get a new phone, so I've been kind of hesitating to do any videos because I'm not sure I'm going to figure out how to edit on this new phone. But I think it's time to give it a try. So here we go. I'm going to do an unboxing today. So this is the first thing I'm going to unbox. Actually, I think the second thing I'll make a separate video. But this came, I think, from Singapore. Okay, so let's open it up. I'm really excited about this because I have never owned this brand before. So I was really surprised how fast I got this. It's so reasonably priced and also shipped fast. So let's dig into it. All right, Yard and the Leathersmith. I'm super pumped about this. This was actually a special leather, and I think it was a limited amount they had, so I got 2 covers. Let's see, which one do I want to do first? Let's do this one first. Okay, you ready? You ready? Oh, here I go. Oh, look at how cute that is. It's so adorable. So I love the little buckle design here. So that's an actual buckle. I just assumed, oh, it's not. Okay, yes it is, and no, it's not. So it is a buckle. I'm gonna put you closer, and hopefully I don't do something terrible. Okay. All right, so it's a real buckle, but also it's a snap. So this buckle looks like it could come unbuckled. I'm not going to do it now because it's stiff. But then you can unsnap it. So it's got this vintage looking floral design. It's a navy with pink flowers, some green leaves, and then some accent yellow flowers. And so the inside is yellow. And I love it. This is gorgeous. So I know it's hard to see where the pockets are because it's all one color inside. So it looks like there's a pocket here. And there's a pocket here. Here and here. And then here's a slip pocket here. And a pocket here. And a pocket here. So there's plenty of pockets in here, and there's a pen loop. It is not elasticized. And then I did get the Pocket Plus because what I want to keep in there is rather chunky. So I thought I should go with a Pocket Plus. Let me see if I can. So this is what I've been keeping my pocket inserts in, and I really haven't got them set up yet. I've been such a slacker. So I'm going to take this out. And let's see. I've got this one. And I got this cute little field notes. So let's see how they look. Now I could just slip this back here, I'm assuming. And it fits just right. See, and if that's all I wanted to carry, I think that would be fine. There is a lot of extra space, but then again, that would give me room for my pen. I could put the pen loop to use. So, but let's keep on keeping on here. And let's put in the field notes. I love this Field Notes book because it has this pattern in it. I don't know if, now this is a different phone, so I don't know how the autofocus and whatnot are going to go. But it's got this really pretty floral pattern. Came in a 3-pack and they all have different patterns. There you go. Oh, image stabilization too. I hope it's not so wiggly. But yeah, let's try this. So if you really want to chunk this bad boy up, oh, look at this. Oh my God. It's so cool. Oh my gosh. And so I had to actually send him some measurements because I don't think he has like a generic Pocket Plus that he sells, you know, like just a standard measurement that anyone who says they want a Pocket Plus, this is what you get. So I actually had sent him the measurements from my Chic Sparrow Pocket Plus. So he did a fantastic job. So I do love the yellow. You could also pick a different color, but I love the fact that the yellow is just so subtle on the outside, and then it really pops on the inside. So I love it. Love it. So let's find a pen. I don't have a matching one here at the moment. This is a Retro 51 pen. Oh, perfection. Perfection. This is amazing. Look at how beautiful that is. Chunk. Chunk. And I don't have the big one on the strings. I just have it in the back pocket. Here's the back. It's got 2 rivets here so that this strap is not going to fall off. It's got this nice navy blue border. So navy blue and yellow I love together. So this turned out amazing. I did see on Instagram some people picked different colors for the inside. I think it would be fun if I were to do it all over again. Might have like the big pocket here, like the main pocket in front. Maybe go with a navy so it was contrasting. And same with this one, maybe a contrasting navy. But I just love it. Very, very, very happy with it. It's gorgeous. So, and you can get these with like different types of closures. Like I think there's one that's just a strap that snaps. So it doesn't look like a buckle. It just looks like a strap. And then I do believe you could also get it with a elastic closure. With something this chunky, I probably would hesitate to go with an elastic closure because, I mean, I feel like these strings are a little bit thinner than, yeah, what I find on the Chic Sparrow. So, I don't know, maybe for a closure elastic, he uses something thicker, but there's definitely a size difference between the elastic of the Chic Sparrow and this new one. So, of course, it wouldn't be, if you got an elastic closure, it wouldn't be that hard to put a replacement elastic in there that's thicker. So, oh, just simply gorgeous. Okay, onward. So you can probably guess what size this is. Ta-da! Yeah, this is for my weeks. So that is so, so nice. Yes, so let's try. So again, we have a pocket here. And we have a pocket here. This one has a little swoop. I don't think this one did. No, it did not have a swoop. And then there's a pocket here, pocket here, pocket here, lots of pockets. So pocket here, pocket there, pocket, pocket, and pocket. So The pen loop is a little higher than what I would expect it. I would wonder if that's just because so it doesn't interfere with the pockets. But I would think that you would want to, let me see how far that pen is going to stick up. Yeah. See, I'm not sure I like the placement of the pen loop, because your pen loop is going to, your pen is going to stick up. So I wonder if I just do this. Well, anyway, let's get the Hobonichi Weeks and see how it fits. So I've been using this Moterm. Do I have to go back a little bit? There we go. I've been using this Moterm. Love it. It's very, I love the double snap. I love the pockets. I love the color. It's great. I recently got the zipper one in the mail, and that one I'm going to sell. I'm not fond of it because it's just too wide. But anyway, that's a story for another day. So I'm lazy, and I usually slip my Weeks into this little pocket here. But I can't seem to do that on this one because the pocket, if I use this pocket, well, I mean, I could. It's just going to be very close to the top. So I guess I could do that. But for the sake of the video, I hope... Oh, good. I don't think I had to take my cover off. Good. Excellent. And this pen loop. And get in there. And there you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. And I do think that these will soften up a little bit with use. So this one has actually made for a mega, which surprises me because it seems like it's kind of a snug fit with my regular. But that, again, might be because it's very stiff right now. But yeah, because I think I could get a mega in here. But let me grab my fattest mega from my old collection. So here are my previous years, and I have two that are megas. So let's see what happens. This one I have right now is just a regular, but I'm planning to go back to the mega next year. Oy, come on, you can do it. Snug fit. Ooh. Okay. Of course, I actually think taking the cover off helped, because now I feel like it's plenty spacious for a mega. See that? So, and I'm wondering if, like, if this gets, you know, if your mega got super fat, if you couldn't almost unbuckle this one more, because you got one more, or is it two? I know what's going to happen. I'm going to try to get this out, and one of my fingernails is going to pop off. Anyway, you got at least one more hole here where you could make the strap longer so that, yeah, that should work. No. Will that work to make it longer? Yes, it should. If I'm looking at this right. Yes, because it's two separate pieces. So if you put it on this one, your strap would be longer. But right now, this is fine. And the hardware looks nice and sturdy. It's very, very nice. I like it. So I think that I'm going to give Yard and the Leathersmith a hearty thumbs up. And I will be a repeat buyer because this was excellent. And I think these two together with shipping came to $160. So that's really, really reasonable in my opinion, because you know, he did take like a special measurement from me and give me exactly what I wanted, and that included DHL shipping. So it came super fast. I'm very happy with it. I'm excited now to set this chunker up. So I think I'm going to get busy and start working on this guy here because I'm elated over this and I think it's beautiful. So anyway, that's my first unboxing, and I will be posting another video of another unboxing soon. So until then, see you later. Bye.